Hello, and welcome to my blog about capitalizing on digital trends in insurance. I'm Charles Sybert, RCG's Insurance Practice Lead. Let's look at a real-life digital transformation story. A friend of mine lives on a farm and recently added a rescue dog to his family. He needed a fence, but didn't want a physical fence. So he used an invisible fence that requires a line to be buried in the ground and the dog to wear a collar. The dog is doing great with the invisible fence, but my friend wants to take his dogs camping through the winter months. He found a virtual smart fence application that lets him set up a containment area for his dogs anywhere he wants with just his finger. The collar follows the boundaries using GPS and satellite to secure the dogs without physical infrastructure. Problem solved. Not everyone is a dog or animal person, but as insurance professionals, we need to take this simple customer digital journey from physical fence panels to in-the-ground lines to 100% digital fencing and use it to innovate within our industry. Some traditional digital experiences include chat features that provide a real-time conversation with either an agent about billing, claims, or etc., or artificial intelligence using natural language processing. Omnichannel experiences which allow the customer to start a conversation digitally, converse in person, and complete it all via call center, all without losing the context of the conversation. Self-service that allows the customers to make changes directly and receive an immediate response, such as endorsing a new car onto the policy. As we continue to press the technology boundaries, we see new uses of digital data such as car telematics, in which newer cars are creating about 26 gigs of data an hour and autonomous vehicles creating over 160 gigs an hour. Additionally, claim departments are starting to build a view of the accident using speed, braking, steering, and sensor telematic data to assess faults and detect possible fraud. While it is in its infancy, another example of digital data that is starting to gain traction is the objective observer called the Internet of Things. Everyone has a smartphone and maybe a smartwatch that gathers data about their behaviors. Life insurance companies are now providing discounts if the insured goes to the gym. This is an exciting time, and we're employing technology that wasn't even dreamt of 10 years ago. Making this a reality requires a few key enterprise elements. Low-code, no-code platforms. This technology has come a long way from a dream in the past 10 years to business users becoming citizen developers. Now technical business analysts can configure core systems to meet complex requirements using that system's web portal. But the heavy lifting of integration and other requirements still remain within the developer community. Real-time analytics. It's becoming more common to use machine learning and artificial intelligence to provide augmented data analysis to find those hidden trends in the terabytes of data. The digital experience demands analytics which can access customer profiles, fit to products, market trends, even social media to be performed between page clicks, creating that real-time interaction. While I'm very excited about the daily evolution of the digital experience, it has to be planned and implemented very carefully. In my next video blog, I'll share some of the areas that require focused attention. Thank you for joining me and your interest in the digital trends in insurance. I'd love to hear from you. Where are you at in your digital journey?